In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a PayPal account to your PlayStation account. This process will allow you to easily and securely make purchases in the PlayStation Store using your PayPal account, which is incredibly convenient. So let's walk through this straightforward procedure together. First, you'll need to ensure that your PlayStation is connected to the internet. Whether you're using a wired connection or Wi-Fi, just double check that everything is set up correctly in your network settings. Once you're online, you'll want to head over to the home screen of your PlayStation console. You'll see a variety of options there, but you'll want to navigate to the PlayStation Store and select it. This is your hub for all things games, movies, and much more. Within the PlayStation Store, find and select the profile icon. You'll typically find this at the top of the screen. This will take you to a new menu where you'll see several different account management options. Once you're there, navigate to the section labeled Payment Methods. It's important to note that having an up-to-date PlayStation Network account is crucial, as it houses all your purchase capabilities. When you're in the payment methods section, you'll see several different options for how you can pay for items on the PlayStation Store. Look for the option that allows you to add a new payment method. You might notice options like credit cards or debit cards, but for this tutorial we're focusing on PayPal. Select the option to add PayPal as your payment method, and you'll be prompted with a series of steps to link your account. At this point, you'll either need to sign into your existing PayPal account, or if you don't have one, you can quickly create one for free. If you have your account ready, just enter your credentials, your email and password, and log in. The system will verify your details, so it's important to have everything in order. After successfully logging in, PayPal will then ask you to confirm that you want to link this account to your PlayStation account. Ensure that the information displayed is correct and then confirm your selection. Once confirmed, congratulations, your PayPal account is now linked to your PlayStation. From now on, whenever you decide to make a purchase on the PlayStation Store, you can select PayPal as your payment option at checkout. This is a major convenience as it saves you from having to enter card details every time and gives you a secure and seamless way to purchase content. Thanks for joining me today to learn how to link your PayPal account to your PlayStation. Happy gaming, and feel free to explore and enjoy all the wonderful content available on the PlayStation Store.